Sweet Summer Rain. I wrote this long time ago, back in 1998. That was the time I was writing a lot of songs, and it was the same time I wrote a couple of songs which I recorded. One called Welcome to Heaven, and that was released on a cassette album, a gospel one actually. And then I wrote a song called On the Road to Dargo, and that was released as a bush ballad on the Bush Ballad CD album. So I wrote the song on numerous occasions. Well, on the 25th of February, that's when I first started pondering the idea. Then I reworked on it on the 11th of March 1998. And so eventually it was recorded in 2010, and for a CD of the same title, Summer Lovin'. It was a mini CD, yeah, summer songs about summer at the time. So then it was released on several other CDs after that as a compilation, especially on the songs for all seasons. And so it's a great song. I've always been a fanatic on the Beach Boys songs, which they give me inspirations to write a beach or songs about beaches and songs about the weather. And I love songs that make you feel young. So there you go, Sweet Summer Rain. Please enjoy.
Time has come for a need of change, cool us down in need. I love you forever, you're a friend indeed. Smell the air as clouds roll on, humidity today. The weather changing, sweet summer rain. Sweet summer rain, I love you all too much. Send me my wishes of rain so I could touch. I love to feel the softness of sweet summer rain. There's love for you, there's